Yeah, check the paint job.
Bake daily. Chevy came through color of wheat breed. 6 on the coupe, got the Chevy looking like a bunk bed. 6 got that G, sitting tall.
If I can get y'all this footage. Don't seem like it got packed, but I'm gonna show you what we did catch. Everybody the truck ain't playing. That look hella good. Oh, this shit painted. That's stupid how. That motherfucker plenty paint though. That's dope. And this motherfucker running. What's up, baby? Where the bar at? Who's mad at me this year? Puerto Rican? Who's being nice? We don't do what is he talking about? You need to oh, shit painted. Hey. That shit painted. Shit, we have no trouble over here. We have none of that. You need to park and bring the liquor out. Park and bring the liquor out. That's what you do, okay? Remember when I snapped at her last year? That motherfucker seem big. It's looking good. It's looking good.
Who are you?
I'm God. That's cool. That motherfucker look good. 77. All the O's.
This brother right here that's sitting in my car, he's sitting in my car right now. I knew when he was going to that. I was coming out of a playback.
80. I said, fuck, he broke all this shit. Cuddy sitting over here looking hella good. Fuck 2 joint. Let's try to pull up.
But I always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes. Something means we're trying. You know I've been lying, saying
That's loud. White gush in it. Ooh. I want to see it with the top up though. That motherfucker look good with the top up. White top. Motherfucker look good. Let me see this red. This thing right here. With the peanut butter guts on there. Flames on that joint. Keep dogging it. You look good.